What's up guys, Brian Green from High Castle Technology. Just taking a stroll out into the woods. It's pretty nice. It's after over a week's worth of rain, some crazy record floods in the area, and just checking out what it's like down here. Last time I've been out here, none of these green plants have been here. A little out of focus, but these huge monster leaves. And man, the creek is really flowing. And this is normally a really tiny creek, and I mean, it's still pretty tiny, but you can really notice how it's flowing a lot more. And just checking out some spots along the creek, keeping an eye out for some wildlife, whatever we find. But just a adventure day. Watch where I'm stepping here occasionally. Really soft ground, sunk in almost up to the top of my boots. But, the dogs, man, the dogs are just loving this. The water's usually never barely above their paw in any spot. Man, Moose went down, got his chest in the water at one point. That was kind of cool. So it's definitely a fun day after a ton of rain out here. I'm freaking vlogging with a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera and a Lumix. It was a 14 to 42 millimeter lens with the Mega OIS. Kind of cool. Get where I'm at, arm's reach, and then hit the focus button and let it come on in. But I mean, it's actually not turning out too terrible. A little shaky, but it's not every day you see people vlogging, holding the camera out, shooting raw. The waterfall is pretty cool. Not a big wildlife day though. I'm probably being way too loud traipsing through here, and I don't really have the right lens with me for that. But yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, I mean, now that the weather's starting to get nicer and staying lighter longer, I'll be out in the woods more. Definitely feel free to like the video, subscribe. We're playing with cameras out here a lot more, and definitely will be shooting a lot of deer and squirrel, birds. I'll try to get some woodpeckers. We got a lot of them around. They're kind of hard. They jump around a lot sometimes, but it's pretty hard to spot them. Up in the trees, they're so small and they stay so high. But if you like any of that, definitely like, subscribe to this. Seeing a lot more of that. Again, going over more cameras. Tomorrow I'll be getting the GX85. I'll definitely be taking that out in the woods with the in-body image stabilization. We'll be checking that out.